Hello, creative minds. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of the XJRLUK glass beads bracelet making kit, a treasure trove for jewelry enthusiasts and beginners alike. This kit is packed with everything you need to unleash your creativity, featuring 3,000 vibrant glass beads in 72 stunning colors, along with essential accessories like charms, pendants, spacer beads, jump rings, strings, and even scissors. Each bead is crafted in a 6mm round shape, perfect for designing a wide array of accessories such as bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and keychains. With its smooth and glossy finish, these beads mimic the allure of real gemstones, allowing you to experiment with endless color combinations and create eye-catching pieces. Not only is this kit a fantastic way to practice concentration and patience, but it also makes a thoughtful gift for kids, teens, and adults who want to explore the art of jewelry making. Whether you're looking to bond with your kids through fun crafting activities or seeking a new hobby to spark your creativity, this kit is perfect for all seasons and occasions. Remember, while crafting, adult supervision is recommended for children aged 4 and up to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.